Hiya, today I will be changing chain on Sprocket. I got a new set. I got 3 different sizes of crankshaft ones, 16, 17 and 18. I got some tools, chain removing tools. I got some special set. Finally opened the clutch cover. I undone this screw here, this screw here, that screw over there, that screw inside there. I took the speed sensor out, and don't forget this one here. It's really tricky to forget, it's really long. It's going to the engine. Yeah, and I took that off. See, here is a bit dirty, not too much. I will try in a minute to undo this one here. It's a head 27 millimeters, and on the screw I use the Halford's crowbar. This head I bought from B&Q. Crowbar is 18 quid, head 2 quid. Fits perfectly. I use this thing from the stand to block the rear wheel, and I use a second one to put on a crowbar, and I use that force to unscrew the screw. Yep, that's it. Pin is out. Right, that's it. Chain is off. I use this tool here, insert, and that. Right, I cleaned everything out, adjust a bit the suspension, cleaned everything out. Yep, and that. Right, I finished to fit a chain. Is a 16 on the front and 41 on the back. Yeah, that's. I adjust the line up of the rail. Now I still need to tie that up. I'll do that in a minute. Right, everything done. I already come back from the test drive and it's running a bit faster now. I think that would be better in a traffic, or when it's rainy you can run it on a second gear. Yeah, I think that's improvement to change the front star to 16. Just a bit suspension is a bit harder now, because the previous owner was even damaging the plastic there. Yeah, that's it. And oh, don't forget to take that nasty wax from the chain, because it's really a lot of it. You need to take nearly all of it out, because this will be, you see, it will be spreading everywhere when you will go. I got a couple marks there and